Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lisa and you're watching Yogi Hollow Farm, and we've been ice fishing. And so today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to gut a fish when you get a good catch. So come on along. So the two fish that we caught today, this one is 17 inches.
16, 17, somewhere in there. And then this one is about 14 and a half.
About 14 and a half inches. And what are we going to do today?
We are going to clean them.
Gut and clean?
Gut and clean.
Okay, I'm going to come around the back side.
These will probably be cooked whole. But all I do is, there's two ways of doing it. I just take the heads off, but you can leave the head on and pull all the gills out, the gill plate, if you want to. But this is what I do. Cut the head off and then go from its anus up to the where you cut the head off. Only have to go in a little bit. You don't really want to cut the guts open. And you open it up like that. Pull the guts out. And then here you'll see, oh, it's like blood or the back fluid here. I just score that and then rinse it.
And so you said you're not going to fillet those because you're going to cook them a certain way?
Well, I'm going to give them to I think I'm going to give them to a friend, and then depending on how they want to cook them. You can always fillet them later if you want to.
Okay. Some people just cook them like that, right?
Yeah, I cook them like this sometimes. Like I'll do one where you put some, I guess, rosemary and lemon, and then wrap them in bacon. I do that sometimes.
Cool. Well, you definitely got Diesel's attention.
Yeah.
So you're just rinsing that out now after you scored that?
Yeah.
That would be the minnow.
Yep.
So you got both fish cleaned. And we're going to put them in a Ziploc and then give them over to somebody. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to gut a fish when you get a fresh catch and you bring it all home for the day. And that way you can just put it in Ziploc bags until you cook it that night. Or you can also put them in a vacuum sealer bag and freeze them. So totally up to you. We like to eat it fresh because it's better that way. So thanks for coming along today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. And why not subscribe to the channel? And don't forget to hit that notification bell if you do, so that way you'll know next time we post some fishing videos. Take care, everybody.